Good morning, children. This is our revision video for SA1 exams. Today we are learning B bit. Circle the adverbs of degree in these sentences. First one, it is very warm today. So what is the adverb of degree in this? It is very. So circle very. It is very warm today. Second one. B was entirely sure that her sister had hidden her socks. So here adverbs of degree already we have discussed, but I want to share it again. Here adverb means which qualifies the verb, which gives the meaning to a verb, how the work is being done. So here adverb of degree we are learning how the work is done. It is like B was entirely sure that her sister had hidden her socks. So the adverb of degree is entirely. 3. The theatre was almost empty. The answer is almost. The theatre was almost empty. Fourth one. The scenery was absolutely outstanding. The answer is absolutely. Fifth one. It was fairly late when Joe returned home. Fairly. It was fairly late when Joe returned home. Now sixth one. The theft in Cornrow House really shocked the police. What is the adverb of degree in this sentence? Really. The theft in Cornrow House really shocked the police. Adverbs of frequency. What the example given? Papaya was never even allowed a peep. So what is the word highlighted here in the first sentence? Never. So never is the adverb of frequency. Frequency means it indicates about the time, means how many times the work is done. Never means never it happened, not even one time, two time or anything else. Never Papaya was allowed a peep. We will take care of her ourselves, like always. Always. Always also says about the adverb of frequency, means every time. Always means all the time or every time. So the words like never and always are adverbs of frequency. They tell us how often something happens. Other adverbs of frequency are normally, occasionally, often, rarely, seldom, usually. Normally means in casual way you can say. Occasionally means sometimes. After a particular period of time means after 1 year, after 1 week or every 1 month, it is called occasionally. Often. Often means regularly, daily, or the work which happens for every once in a week or twice in a week. Rarely, sometimes, whenever we like, if you have a mood or something else, there we says rarely. Seldom also means the same. Usually, regularly you can say. So such types of words are used to say, describe about the adverbs. So those words are known as adverb of frequency. Tick right the adverbs of frequency in these sentences. First bit. Reza normally finished his homework before the evening. Just now we discussed about the adverbs of frequency. What are those? So we discussed some of the words. What were those? Among those we have the word like normally. So the normally is the adverb of frequency. Second one. I usually took the bus to return home from school. What is the adverb of frequency here? Usually. I usually took the bus to return home from school. So put right mark on usually. Means regularly. As he is a school child, he returned to home by school bus. Third one. Arun cleaned his room every week. Means the work he'll do very often. It is every week. So every week he needs to clean his room. Arun cleaned his room every week. Fourth one. I hardly spoke to our new neighbors. The word is hardly. Means very rare. Sometimes 1 or 2 times or 4 or 5 times. Very rare. That is known as the adverb of frequency. Hardly. I hardly spoke to our new neighbor. Fifth one. Zahir never ate his lunch at home on Saturdays. Never. Never he ate his lunch at home. Sixth one. We regularly went to swim in the river. Regularly they will go to swim in the river. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.